Hi everyone, welcome back to new video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss about some important off-campus hiring for freshers and experienced candidates. So I request you to don't skip any part of this video, otherwise you can skip the job that is more relevant to your job profile, okay, or your resume, okay. So first opportunity we have from Wipro for the role of DevOps engineer, and the eligibility is fresher. So if you are a fresher you can eligible, and work location will be Bangalore. And if you see the skill requirement, the all skills that need for DevOps job profile required for this job role, like strong knowledge in DevOps, CI/CD pipeline, shell scripting, bash scripting. Apart from that, AWS knowledge like EC2 instance, VCP, IAM, and also code pipeline. Okay, and apart from that, they also need CloudWatch and CloudTrail tool knowledge also. If you have this knowledge you can apply for this job. And next opportunity we have for the role of data analyst internship from Limeroad, and work location will be Gurugram, and you can apply this job by 25th June 2022 24. And stipend you will get from 20,000 to 25,000, and duration of this internship is 6 months, okay. And you can see the work location will be Gurugram, India. And if you are a 2023 batch pass out you can apply this job without any problem, okay. And skill required for this job is SQL, Excel, Tableau, Power BI, Python, okay. And you can see the other technical capabilities here also, like SQL, Excel as they have written here, and big data warehouse, like background in working experience with BI tools like Power BI and Tableau and Python, okay. So they same skill they have written here and here also. So next opportunity we have from Ericsson for the role of associate engineer, and work location will be Noida, Uttar Pradesh. And if you see the skill requirement, you can see here good technical knowledge of specific in systems of mobile communication, okay, and understanding of all process and routines, and also knowledge of 2G, 3G, 4G network in INAP, CAP, and diameter map, and also knowledge in Linux, Solid, and DBMS, okay. So you have these skills, so you can apply, and eligibility is fresher, okay. Next opportunity we have from IBM for the role of application developer, cloud full stack, and this is also for freshers. And here you can see that entry level job, work location will be Pune. And if you see the skill requirement, you should have knowledge in Java 8 and above, and also Spring Boot, REST API design, development, Spring Cloud, and Spring Data JPA Hibernate, okay. And apart from that, database knowledge is also required, like SQL Server, DB2. And apart from that, cloud knowledge is also required, like Docker, CI/CD pipeline, and AWS Kubernetes, and Kafka, okay. Basically we need Java full stack knowledge, apart with including database knowledge, and we also need cloud based knowledge also, okay. So if you have these knowledge you can apply this entry level job. And next opportunity we have for the role of cloud engineer internship. Company name is Markable, and this is a United Kingdom based company, and stipend you will get from 15,000, okay. Duration of this internship is 6 months, and you can get a offer job, full-time job offer from 3 LP to 6 LP CTC, okay. And you can apply this job by 30 June 2024. And you have to work in remote location, so it means you have to work from home, okay. Year of graduation should be 2024 2023, and mandatory skill is AWS, CI/CD, Shell, Docker, Kubernetes, and Git, JavaScript, okay. Basically the skill requirement for the we need for cloud engineer, the whole skill we need here also. So you will get extra benefits like certificate, flexible hour, job offer, and also the here you can see the hiring process like screening, assessment, HR interview, and then selection of your, okay. All of the jobs that we have discussed in this video, you can get links in the description. You can apply. Till then I will get new opportunities for you. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.